In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mortal Shell 2 not launching or crashing on PC. Follow each solution carefully until the problem is fixed. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify the game files. First, open Steam. Open your library. Locate Mortal Shell 2. Right-click the game and select Properties. Select Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and repair any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the process to finish. Once it is complete, launch Mortal Shell 2 and check if the problem has been fixed. Solution 2. Right-click Mortal Shell 2 in your Steam library. Select Properties. Open Installed Files. Click on Browse. This will open the game installation folder. Locate mortalshell2.exe. Right-click mortalshell2.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Also enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now launch Mortal Shell 2 and check if it works. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait while Windows searches for and installs the latest available graphics driver. Once the process is complete, launch the game again and check if the problem has been fixed. Solution 4. Update the NVIDIA driver. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app. Click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if necessary. Then launch Mortal Shell 2 again. Solution 5. Open the link provided in the description of this video. Scroll down and locate the x86 version. Click on VC Redist x86 to download it. Then click on VC Redist x64 to download the 64-bit version. Locate the files you just downloaded. First, double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the license terms. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission. Wait for the program to be installed. When the installation is complete, click Close. Do not restart your computer yet. Now double-click VC Redist x86. Click Yes if prompted. Accept the license terms. Wait for the installation to finish. Once both versions have been installed, restart your computer. After your computer restarts, launch Mortal Shell 2 again. The game should now launch normally without crashing. And that is how you can fix Mortal Shell 2 not launching or crashing on PC. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.